In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay wages in Xero in our full 2025 guide. This is an essential process for all businesses, ensuring that your employees are compensated accurately and on time. We'll cover everything from setting up employee information to processing pay runs and making payments, all through Xero's user-friendly platform. Let's dive in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the payroll section in Xero, specifically to the payroll settings. Here's where you can start by adding your employees. This involves entering several crucial details such as their pay rates, salaries or wages, and tax information, which could include TFN, PAYE, or NI numbers based on the regional requirements. Don't forget to set up leave entitlements so that everything is accurately tracked and managed. Having this vital information set up ensures a smoother payroll process. Once your employees' details are in place, the next step is to connect your bank account to Xero. This connection is crucial as it facilitates the actual payment of wages. Ensure all credentials are correctly entered to maintain security and functionality. Additionally, make sure that you have enabled payslip templates in line with your country's compliance settings. Using these templates can save you a lot of time and ensure that all necessary information is communicated to your employees. With your payroll settings ready, it's time to create a pay run. Head over to the payroll section and select Pay Employees. Click on Add Pay Run, and you'll need to specify the pay period, which can be weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, depending on how you run your payroll. Choose an appropriate pay date and decide which employees will be included in this run. One of the many benefits of Xero is its ability to automatically calculate gross pay, tax, superannuation or pension contributions, and any deductions needed, which significantly reduces manual entry errors. After you've created the pay run, take a moment to review it. Go through each employee's pay details, ensuring that everything aligns correctly. Adjust for any overtime worked, allowances due, or necessary deductions that need to be accounted for. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click on Post Pay Run. Xero will take care of making the necessary journal entries such as debiting your wages expense and crediting the bank and other liabilities such as taxes. Now we move on to paying your employees. You have a couple of options here. Firstly, the batch payment file such as ABA, BACS, or SEPA. Export this file from Xero and simply upload it to your online banking platform to process the payments in bulk. Alternatively, you can conduct a manual bank transfer by paying each employee directly through your bank and then marking these payments as completed in Xero. Finally, Xero automatically generates pay slips for you. Simply email these to your employees so they have a record of their earnings. Don't forget to file your tax returns. Xero allows you to file directly for schemes like STP in Australia or RTI in the UK, keeping your business compliant. Following these steps will help you ensure a smooth and hassle-free payroll process within Xero, keeping your employees happy and your business operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy payroll processing.